And blew down trees and knocked out power to well over 1,000 homes early this morning.
The wind advisory in place for the Portland area is expected to last into early this evening. One place where the wind has been howling all morning is Crown Point in Corbett, and that's where Cor Harlan starts our coverage of this morning's high wind.
Hi Jenny, hi Ken. We are up here at Crown Point, as you mentioned this morning, where it has been a steady wind between 40 and 50 miles an hour. And according to a website that I follow, it's called windalert.com, that measures the actual gusts here at Crown Point. They recorded an 86-mile-an-hour gust of wind that came through here at 9:56 this morning. You mentioned that wind advisory that's in effect. Well, there's no better place than Crown Point to give you a pretty good idea of what the wind feels like it's blowing into the Portland area today. During a wind advisory at Crown Point, the simple act of walking across the parking lot is not for the faint of heart and not for the skinny. Overnight here, steady wind blew out of the east at between 40 and 50 miles an hour, with gusts between 70 and a peak gust of 80 miles an hour recorded at around the time we met Bridget Aguirre and Monica Gifford.
We just wanted to come for the sunrise, and we didn't know what we were getting ourselves into.
Bridget and Monica are from Gresham. They're fond of watching the sunrise at Crown Point, but on this morning it was hard to keep your eyes on the sun when you're trying to stay on your feet.
I feel really small.
You feel
it's like
what?
pushing me over. I feel small.
Yeah, you kind of got to dig in a little bit, right?
Yeah, you have to really plant your feet. Be big.
In southeast Portland, high wind blew a tree onto this apartment complex, causing some anxious moments for people living inside this complex at southeast 162nd. Wind knocked out electricity to almost 2,300 homes in Multnomah and Clackamas counties as of mid-morning Monday. The downed trees and the high wind are certainly not a rarity for mid-November. This happens. The official start of winter is well over a month away, but this morning's high wind is a reminder that the active weather season is upon us. Boy, that's right. The active weather season is upon us. Carl is trying to show you the Columbia River down there. That actually looks more like the Pacific Ocean this morning than it does a river. A lot of folks that come up here have sort of experienced some of the novelty of some of this, and I warn you, if you do come, bring some gloves and a hat, because with the air temperature at about 40 degrees and about a 40 to 50 mile an hour to 75 or 80 mile an hour wind, it gets cold here in a hurry. Jenny and Ken.
Yet you had all day to go get a hat and gloves, Cor, and you didn't.
Yeah.
I should probably take some of my own advice, shouldn't I? Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
All right.